Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's been on everyone's minds lately, the dollar's decline. So, is your money losing value? Let's dive in and find out. The concept of currency value is something we often take for granted, but have you ever stopped to think about what happens when the value of our money starts to decline? The impact is felt not just by individuals, but by the economy as a whole. And it's an issue that's becoming increasingly relevant today. When the dollar's value declines, one of the most immediate effects is that prices for goods and services start to rise. It's simple economics. If the value of the dollar goes down, the value of the goods and services we buy goes up. Suddenly, that morning coffee or lunchtime sandwich costs a little more, and those everyday expenses start to add up. But it's not just the small things. As the dollar's value continues to decline, we start to see price hikes across the board. From housing to healthcare to education, it's a trend that's affecting our purchasing power in a big way. And the problem is, it's not just a matter of prices going up. It's also about the value of our savings and investments going down. Imagine working hard to save for a big purchase or a rainy day, only to find out that the money you've got set aside is worth less than it was when you earned it. It's a frustrating feeling, and one that's becoming all too familiar for many of us. As you may have heard, the dollar has been on a downward trend recently, and it's causing quite a stir in the financial world. So, what does this mean for you? Well, it's important to remember that the value of your money is directly tied to the strength of the currency. When the dollar weakens, it can have a significant impact on your purchasing power. For example, if you're planning to travel abroad, you might find that your money doesn't go as far as it used to. Or, if you're investing in international markets, you might see a drop in the value of your investments. Now, it's important to note that this isn't the end of the world. The dollar's decline doesn't mean that your money is worthless. It simply means that you need to be more mindful of your spending and investing habits. So, what can you do to protect your money? Well, one option is to diversify your investments. This means spreading your money across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This way, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket, so to speak. Another thing to keep in mind is to be aware of exchange rates when traveling or making international purchases. By staying informed and making smart decisions, you can ensure that your money continues to work for you, even in times of currency fluctuations. Today's discussion on the dollar's decline. Remember, knowledge is power, and by staying informed, you can make the most of your hard-earned money. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more financial tips and insights.